Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will replace the dead battery in a late model Jaguar key fob with a fresh one. This will work with a Land Rover fob as well, if it has the chrome mechanical key compartment. We will need only the mechanical key as a tool and a new CR2032 battery. The chrome compartment cover needs to be removed. Look for the arrow on the cover and push downwards in the direction of the arrow. It's a tight fit. Once moved, all of about 1/4 of an inch, slip it off the fob. The mechanical key will slide out in the same direction. Unfold it into the L shape. Look for this opening in the fob. Insert the tip of the mechanical key and twist. The fob will split into its two halves. The battery is visible with its markings up. A fingernail is all that's needed to start the battery removal. And there is our CR2032. A new battery slips in just as easily. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, it can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, wipe the battery down once again. Make sure the markings are up. The two halves went back together with a struggle. Counterintuitively, the side that's separated first is the one that needs to go back together first. Once snapped together, return the mechanical key and the chrome cover. Then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.